Gujarati curry is a bit sweet compared to other curries and holds a white color. In a mixer grinder, add garlic cloves, green chilli, ginger, kadhi patta, green garlic, and some fresh coriander. Grind into a coarse paste without water and keep aside. In a bowl, take dahi and some besan and whisk well. Add water to adjust the consistency. Add some Methi Dana and the green paste to the mixture with some salt and a pinch of Haldi. Whisk everything together and keep aside. In a Kadhi, add ghee, Jeera, Laung, red chilli, cinnamon stick, and some Hing. Let it splutter and add the Kadhi mixture. Add water if the mix is too thick. Stir and add sugar. Let it simmer on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Adjust the taste of spice and sugar. Add some green garlic and fresh coriander. Stir and serve hot with some Rajwadi khichdi.